How to enable or disable full screen mode on your Chrome browser. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will guide you through on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon, and also turn on the notification bell to get updated about our latest videos. So in order to do that, these are the steps you may follow. First of all, you need to have the Chrome browser downloaded on your device. If you don't have it, just go ahead and download it and simply open up your Chrome browser onto your device. Just go ahead and locate Chrome browser. After that, open it up, and here you may just go to your favorite wave page, or you may just directly go ahead from this section right here. So here, after you are seeing the interface of Chrome browser, go ahead and click on the three dot at the top corner, and you can find this white section here. When you tap on it, your Chrome browser will turn into the full screen. So you may either press ESC or F11 in order to disable it, but in order to enable it, just follow the steps. So if you want to change your mind and if you want to make it to another screen again, just go ahead and press ESC or go ahead and press F11 on your keyboard, and it will return back to normal. So that's how you basically do and make your screen wide, enable or disable this option. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.